Introducing the Agrojet-16, India's most reliable and smart agricultural spraying drone. This made-in-India cutting-edge technology is designed to revolutionize Indian farming, offering efficiency, precision, and ease of use like never before. One of the standout features of the Agrojet-16 is its extended 16-liter tank. Minimizing refills, maximizing productivity, and reducing downtime. With 8 nozzles breaking water droplets down to 10 microns, it ensures uniform and effective spraying in all crops. A standout feature of the Agrojet-16 is its impressive 6-meter spray width, unmatched by any other drone in India. With this spray width and a travel speed of 8 meters per second, it can cover 1 acre in just 5 minutes. With its unmatched features, stability, and autonomous capabilities, the Agrojet-16 is a game-changer, making farming smarter, more sustainable, and more productive. Made by Rucha Yantra, revolutionizing Indian agriculture.